Dear sir, are you born in the zodiac sign of the Virgo as the ascendant? Is there the Mercury in the ascendant in your horoscope? If so, as the Lord of the 10th house, the Mercury is in the ascendant in your horoscope, you will become famous because of your business. Your status will go up and up. You will acquire a good acquaintance, prestige, and new job opportunities will come to you in search of you. And you will become a great entrepreneur if the Lord of the 10th house Mercury is in the ascendant.